Hey everyone, good lovely afternoon. It is me, Jasmine. How are you folks doing? It is a beautiful afternoon here in Clarksville, Indiana. Figured I would do a quick vlog video showing you this beautiful, adorable Rosie the Riveter sculpture right here. No, that's not Clarksville. Back there, that's Louisville, Kentucky. This is Clarksville, Indiana. Just across the Ohio River. Oh, wait a minute, let me position myself right next to her. Ta-da! Rosie the Riveter. How does it go? This way? Yes, it's a cloudy but beautiful day nonetheless here in Clarksville, Indiana. I wish you folks were spending this afternoon with me. We can do it. Clarksville, Indiana. You can pause the video and read what's on that plaque. Rose Will Monroe. Oh, just a beautiful sculpture. That's Louisville, Kentucky, right across the river. Not a lot of people out and about. Of course, it is cold outside. You can pause the video and read what's on this board. Ohio River Scenic Byway. Ooh, let me zoom in on the wildlife. Oh, and I hope you guys can hear me. It is windy outside. So I just wanted to do this quick vlog video showing you this adorable sculpture right here. Well taken care of indeed. I don't see any chips, breaks, scratches. She has her toolbox right there. There you go. So if you folks find yourselves in the Clarksville area, stop by, take a quick selfie. All right, everyone. So that's it for this very quick vlog video of Rosie the Riveter here in beautiful Clarksville, Indiana. I will see you on the next upload. Alright, bye bye.